Welcome to another episode of Smart Tips. I'm Jeff Gonzalez, and today I'm going to walk us through how we can dynamically filter linked record options in a form based on other linked record values in that same form. Let's jump in. This is one very simple example. In a project management context, I'm going to filter out options when I submit change requests, right? So I'll start first by explaining this projects table. I have a linked record on my projects table that's tied to staff, and it says who my project lead is. I've only allowed me to link to one specific record to clarify that this one person is my project lead. And then I have a table of change requests that says, one, that this change request is related to a specific project via a linked record. And then a linked record tied to, again, staff. I've titled it submitter, saying who is the person that's submitting this form. Now, if I open up the form view in change requests, I've actually changed submitter field to show as your name within the form experience. That way it's a little bit more simplistic, but it's essentially the same as submitter. It's going to populate that field. Then I have the linked record for project for them to select which project this change request is tied to. If I open up project here, I'm able to now limit selection to specific conditions. Now, what is that specific condition? I want to look at who in my projects table is clarified as my project lead. And I want that to equal, in my dynamic filter, who my submitter is on this table. So I'm going to go through this process of selecting who my submitter is, and then I'll be able to clarify which project this change request is related to, but it's only going to show me the projects that I am tied to. So let me go ahead and just refresh this screen. I have my name in here, Jeff Gonzalez, and I'm only tied to two different projects, and it's only showing me those two projects that I'm related to. If I get rid of your name and I open up project, I see an entire list of all of my projects. Again, if I select my name, only the two projects that I am the project lead for. This is just one example for how we can dynamically filter within forms. There are dozens, hundreds, maybe even thousands of different ways to use this very powerful feature that we just released, but I wanted to provide you folks with an example. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.